Good day everyone, I'm Ara. In behalf of my group, I'll be the one to present our project, CRUD. CRUD specifies itself by creating, retrieving, updating, and deleting data entry in your database. C for creating. First, let's create an account, then after creating, let's proceed for signing in. Let's proceed for R. R means retrieve. So every data that inputted in a create form will be saved in your database and also display it on your browser. Not all data was displayed in your browser. As you can see, the difference between database and your browser. You can see the edit and delete sign of the action in the action table. View for updating an account or info. Editing will be the best way of updating. Every info you've changed will display on your browser. And also, after updating, you can see the difference between an updated info or not. And last is D. D for deleting an account that you don't want to be displayed in your browser. You can delete as much as you want. You can delete everything or any personal information that was saved in your browser and your database. And that's all. Thank you.